Hello everyone, I am Ann and this is Annmakes. Welcome! Today I have a video to share with you about how I made these Halloween pumpkin wreath door decorations. So we start with a pumpkin frame. These I purchased at a Dollar Tree. Pumpkin wreath form, there it is. Of course we need to use some glue, so I use a glue gun. Here we have creepy cloth, and then did you see that creepy paw there? That's my assistant. So then we take the creepy cloth away from the cat, and we want to protect our fingers, so I put on these little finger protectors that I purchased at Dollar Tree. They're these little silicone mittens for fingers. They are awesome. They have saved my skin many times. So just by applying some hot glue and wrapping the creepy cloth that's also available from Dollar Tree around the wire, that's pretty much all you have to do. I use some little clamps to hold everything in place. Of course, those little clamps are also from Dollar Tree. They're also from Multicraft. And as you know, I really like using pink in my craft room here, so that's why I have the little pink mitts and the little pink clamps. So all I do now is just add more glue, stick the creepy cloth onto the frame, adjusting it so it looks, the way I'd like it to look. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Once I'm done gluing the cloth to the frame, I let it set to make sure that it really glues well, and then I just cut off all that extra piece of cloth. Now to finish the stem of the pumpkin, I decide to wrap some jute cord around the stem. There's different ways to go about this, but basically I just wanted to hide the black metal part and make it look a little bit more rustic, if that's possible. So yeah, so I just used some clamps, some more hot glue, and just go and wrap the cord around the stem. After I'm done wrapping the cord around the very top part of the wire stem, I glue down the rest of what's left of that cord piece down the sides, because now I want to take some more cord and wrap it all the way around, if that makes any sense. I don't know how else to explain it, but wrap all the way around the entire stem. I just really wanted to hide the wire at the very top, and I thought that would be the best way to do it. So now I'm just going to wrap the cord around and around the stem and use a lot of glue to keep it all together. I really want to fill up that empty space. Now with some wired jute cord, I take a piece and I wrap it around a pencil. You could use a pencil, a dowel, anything will do really that's just round and long. And what I'm making are I guess the vine pieces or tendrils that would be from a real pumpkin in a pumpkin patch. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm wrapping it around. Of course, I'll use some more hot glue to secure it. And there we have some little squiggly things hanging from the pumpkin stem. Next, it's time for some more decorating with some more items that I picked up at the dollar store. Here I have some burlap oak leaves, and I have these felt kitty cats that I purchased at Dollarama, and I just thought that kitty here would look wonderful on this pumpkin. This is going to be a Halloween pumpkin that will be hanging on my front door. Actually, I've made two of these. Now with some ribbon that I had picked up at Joann's. It is a wired ribbon, and it has the motif, the black cat on it. I make some large bows. Well, you only see me making one bow in this video, of course, but I know that I made two of them. I make this big bow, and in a little bit you'll see me use some other trims and ribbons to make a really big kind of poofy bow. Next I add this really wide meshy type of ribbon that I picked up at Dollarama. I also layer another bow made out of some black burlap type of ribbon and some strings that I have in my stash that are black and white. I really wanted to add like a lot of details to this bow, and with the help of my glue gun, I hold all of that together. Now all I do is attach the folded pieces of ribbon of the bow on top of the long pieces, tie it all together, and just play around with the ribbons until I'm pleased with how it looks. And finally I top it off with a little flower that I also made from some string and a button, and I will glue that onto the very center of the bow, just to hide that little string there and just give it a little something else. After the bow is all made, with my hot glue gun and a lot of glue, I attached the bow to the top of the pumpkin. What I forgot to show you in the video is I also put another piece of wire cord on the back of the frame so I can hang this on my door. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you're inspired to get your crafting on. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay crafty.